Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango.
Mapenzo to TV, it's the Petway Premiership, CS Galaxy 1, Sikukune 1, I'm trying pie, Mr. Muta.
Steve kunjani?
Mnati.
Khona.
Sure.
Ya ngizobona ama-team adlalela top 8.
Yes.
Nama-team adlalela number 3.
Yes.
Because 1 and 2 at the moment is still between Sundown and Paris.
Yes.
Yeah. We don't know who's number 1, we don't know who's number 2.
Yeah.
But from 3 until number 8,
yeah,
they are still playing for it. Like who's Kukune? They're playing for number 3 or number 4.
Yeah.
Chess Galas number 3, number 4.
Yeah.
And Stellenbosch number 3 or number 4.
Yeah.
So I go team is champions like number 1, number 2. Yeah. Because 1 and 2 is number 1 and 2 is between Paris and Sundown.
Yeah.
And Sundown is not number 1 obvious yet.
Yeah.
Because if Paris win those 2 games in the end, it's a share 3 points.
Yeah.
And from there, anything can happen. In a game, during the week, he's playing Richards Bay, also playing Skukuni.
Yeah.
And then in 3 or in 3 by Cape Town.
Yeah.
By Cape Town City. And Cape Town City is number 15.
Yeah.
So the Betway Premiership is still open.
Yeah.
Still open. It's not over yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's come to the game. Both teams here, you see, is Tibo. They play 50-50.
Yeah.
Yeah, they play 50-50. No one is supposed to win this game because they are sitting back. They are, you see.
Yeah.
So also very very surprised about Tess Galas.
Yeah.
They are leading goal scorer. He was on the bench. What do you call it? Zamovic.
Yeah, Zamovic,
That was what 12 guy number 9.
Yeah.
At the bench, it was surprising me that this team want to win or to challenge number 3, but their leading goal scorer is on the bench.
Yeah.
Also Skukuni, Mutambo on the bench. Linda, the captain.
Wow.
Also, I said the second half they keep the lonely Master Chef out. Sipombule. I was surprised. Also, they take out Mahalo out. I'm sure they're planning for the game for Wednesday, for Perez, which they just come to own the fixture because that one will win that game.
How many goals?
That one I can't give you the score, but 3 points they're going to leave at Orlando.
Yeah.
Yeah. I also see them now when they're leaving. I was surprised, Steve Boro. Betway Premiership, they don't have even a score. The police, there's nothing. They just driving like they're going to home, spother shops. Both teams. Yeah, like going to Amakulin. You can't see Perez or Chiefs coming to the stadium or leaving the stadium without Metro Police escorting. But this one, I've even seen some players of Skukune, they jump here in the street to the bus.
Love candy.
So check it out now. So uTabs ngiyamthekela noma ewethu angibaboni. Yona play wethu hayi kala.
Madoda.
Hayi mano.
Man isikukune no asenze.
Hayi man.
Nethi he.
Usabe ngisho ukuthi labafana beza ku Chiefs.
No man.
Yeah, once man. And them dawu kwathi ileague isase-on dawu wenza mistake.
It's on league.
No wenza mistake.
Kanjani?
Ileague ihambile.
It's on league.
Kukhefuna ikhulume the same thing.
Yes.
But iPirates ayikazi lose ngisho igame 1 kuma group stages thina kuphi semi final.
Yes.
Mara bayenzela umrevisit iPyramid.
Badly.
Yeah. But umayela.
Pistin Mayela.
Lasi bengibatshela siyobosa kumbula uthi yami.
Yabahlaba.
Angaqedi. Yazi inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu ndiwabe baskora ngakhona labe Pirates.
Yeah.
Vandag batholile. Batholile ngabambile.
Yeah.
Yazi lasi ngibatshelile ngathi le ntwana lembokazi. He's good at marking, he's not good at position. But uchari wenzani? Unamanga. Ubheme ini?
Insana.
Ngisibheme nobani? NoSthibo.
Yes, basho kanjalo. I remember.
Still remember. Yeah. If you can count ukuthi le ntwana mayidlala ibhola, how many passes does he make?
Umboka.
Yeah, epassa umuntu wePirates. Always uphasa ama opponent. He's only good
at mistake.
What's a mistake?
Uyamuzwa brother Mutao?
Ngiyamuzwa.
Mbokazi is full of mistakes.
He's good at marking. Angiphiki le. Rowan Williams can play better football than Umbokazi. Yeah.
Charlie.
Keeper.
Honestly speaking.
Charlie.
No, let's be honest with ourselves.
Charlie, we won the first 11 at Paris.
I saw it, yeah.
It's only one person who challenged the national team in Namibia. 10, they're South African.
Yes.
Sundown. When you get in La Palma, 61 million wins in. Arthur
Silence. But you see the impact substitution. How many touches did he make? Who was the silence? Yes.
Lo muntu lo wena lo msayinile ngo-60 million.
Sengisho yena uSilas wenze na usibeke manje ku-semi-final. Yena le touch ayenzile ukungena kwakhe lo. It meant something kuSundowns.
Aphumule lo muntu lo. What's the 60 million? Lesi 60 million.
Na uTito wena nihlala niculanga. Tito wenzeni? Ngekole le-street ingena uTito utamake kanje intwana engaka so. Uma ufana ongaka so uTito. Umuntu wayethi ibhola phambi kwaTito. A small boy like this one.
Ithi ngitshele ngalo muntu wabo 60 million. Wabona mamele manje, wabona manje sikuphi manje? Thina amafani wethu. Amafani wethu. Lesi 60 million bangasithengele quantum. Sihambe wonke ama game.
Sami wonke ama game.
Yeah. Dan ubruka lo muntu le abiyele kude le. For 5 goals. Manje. Una 3 goals.
But that guy is a quality.
It's not the quality.
Mkati abakhipha bathu banu. Bathu bando le lang le. Bathu bando striker sende so lo elang. Makho. Bafaka lo bathu mabasa. Sniper. Kema lo coach lo akana game plan.
uJose
ushayile le tayela zakhe lezi. Bathi la kuse Egypt la. Salam alaikum salam. Eke spread Africans. Baba kuse Egypt akadlalwanga lapha. Bathi salam alaikum salam.
Ayisipani de.
Yesibo maro sakhumbula into esiqale la.
Ayisipani de.
Sengisho mina nawe yakhumbula isiqale yini.
I remember.
Still remember my brother. Bathi salam alaikum salam. Inshallah.
Before ithathwa uzwe.
Yes.
Ngikhumbula into yazi
Steve. Lava zakhala ungashayanga la. Lava Sundown. Ibethu uyayithatha. I'm telling you ukuthi ngeke bashaye Rasbing. Ngeke bashaye Cape Town City, ngeke bayishaye. Ngeke bayishaye. Ngale coach le yabo le Kadosi le coach yabo le.
Sibuya zwakala coach.
Ukadosi uyadliwa.
Ukadosi ku Champions League. Hayi mfethu.
Awumboni ku final.
Mfethu.
No ngithi awumboni ukuthi uzowina.
Hayi. That's very skhohlwe nje mfethu. Akana style ses2. Aze angifuni. Aze mfethu I don't want to discourage any team.
Yes.
But
Where is the weakest thing?
I don't want to discourage any team. But inkinga eyi1 wena sibone. Yabona iSundowns is playing a good football.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
But ngiyacela. It's a South African team.
Yes.
It's a supporter because it represents South Africa. But sicela nje isikase2. Na team endala mfethu. The team endala le out.
Kwamele siqale kupakania.
Sisize kupakania qala.
Sikathele lesitaba.
Mamela noma singakhathala ne. Yabona ezimnyama ngempela. Yazo izimnyama ngebala. Zimhlophe ngenhliziyo. Yabona njengoba lezi. Yabona phela asimbashanga sibona.
Kukira athi simbashini.
Wena bowukuphi 95?
Ngame ngingakazalwa.
Bebaqabange emaphakathi 95. Ongeke. Asikhulume ngento oyibonile Sundowns.
Yes 2016.
Uyibonile.
Yes 2016 maybe
nange-1 zakaJune uzobukhona ne uzoyibona vile so besishaya kuphi ePyramid first leg line of Stars
yazi thi utshela ngicela ukuyisho manje kusase 8 bheka
ngitshela uthela
yabona first leg iLoftus kuzoba yi1-1 yabona ngisho manje ngifuna noma ivela emhlaba wonke ne kuzoba yi1-1 mawufika le yabona njengoba uthi lo coach wami kahle kanje lapha yani owakho yena yabona njengoba uzobahlelula sasitulo lethe ngithi maqeda yabona maqeda ukudliwa 3-1 le uzoba bazothi Sundowns and Kadoso part ways.
That's why I'm telling you. Bathini sinini bathi
uzongikhumbula
bathi coach wabo uzohamba neStar
ngithi uzongikhumbula
uzothola ezaseMoria
ngithi mina yabona
game e-Egypt i-Sundowns idliwa i-Pyramids
bese mababuya
bazothini
bazothi i-Sundowns and Cardoso parted ways.
ngeke uzuyibona
All mutual agreement. Mutual agreement.
Ntawo
And with immediate effect, with the immediate effect,
thank you very much
with the immediate effect, with the immediate effect. Sibo,
uyabuza usoleni uzuyivala yini wesoleni
no uyakhala
ngisho wena usoleni hayi ungayenzi lento Sithibo
i-director
ungayenzi
All mutual agreement. Mutual agreement.
is it mutual abaqosha la sokuyi mutual
No muntu usane 4 years contract. So 4 years contract. Imutual. Bazothi baba ngicela uhambe.
bashela ukuthi mutual
bazothi kubizwe imithi, kubizwe imithi.
so ucoach we-Pirates uright yena adliwe ahlala
Yabona ucoach we-Pirates
What do I-
coach we-Pirates ubuilde i-Pirates i-Pirates uyibuildile kakhulu and i-Pirates ukuze azofikicha ku-semi-final and i-Sundowns mfethu ina quality players and
uyayivuma lento uyayivuma nini
bafethu ngicela ukuyivala
bafethu
mfethu awuna star uzosithola
bafethu ngicela
Awuna
ukuyivala
star.
i-direct yakhala
akana star azosithola mina ngiyacela bafethu 1-1 Pitoli Loftus Egypt 3-1 and then the following day Cardoso and Sundowns part ways.
Thank you.